In this video, we will show you how to check in a Southern Airlines ticket. If you guys want to get started with China Southern Airlines, you can use the links down in the description. First, open Google Chrome on your device and search for China Southern Airlines. Then click on the first link that appears in the search result to visit their official website. Next, click on your departure place and destination. Then choose the departure and return dates for your trip. Click on the search button to view available flights. Now select the departure flight and scroll down to click on booking. After that, choose the return flight and click on booking again. Here, you'll need to enter your membership card number or email address. Then enter your password. If you don't have an account, you can click on booking without login to proceed. Once you're logged in or continue as a guest, fill in the required passengers information. After that, go to the online service section and select seat check-in. Click on sign up now to verify your ticket. You'll need to enter personal details such as your surname, identity type and identification number. Then, input your passport type, document expiry date, place of issue, and date of birth. Finally, provide your title and nationality to confirm your ticket details. So, that's how to check China Southern Airlines tickets. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with China Southern Airlines. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.